everyone! Today we're going to spend the day in one of the top family destinations attractions in Dubai, LEGOLAND Water Park.
LEGOLAND Water Park is one of the Dubai's most popular family destinations, offering over 20 exciting water slides and interactive attractions that promise endless fun for all ages. Designed with a perfect mix of creativity and adventure, the park provides a lot of opportunities to splash, play and enjoy unforgettable memories. Located inside the Dubai Parks and Resorts complex, it's a must-visit for water lovers and LEGO fans.
We just left our bags here and then we're going to go straight to the wave pool, one of my favorite attractions here at LEGOLAND.
Safety is always first.
The LEGO Wave Pool is the heart of the park and the perfect place to relax and also enjoy the waves. Connected to the same area, there is a splash zone, designed especially for younger kids to play and have fun. We also spent some time at the Build-A-Boat experience, located right next to the wave pool. This interactive space lets you create your own LEGO boats and test them in a mini river. After all that, we jump over to the LEGO Slide Racers, another thrilling attraction in the park.
She won! No way, she was the fastest! So much fun! Now it's time for Red Rush. It's a big floater up to 6 people with curves and drop. Having lots of fun, it's time to eat because we are starving. The park offers a great variety of snacks, hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza and also salad. But I think we are gonna get a pizza for today. Let's go!
Our afternoon started by exploring more of the park's exciting attractions, like the tile tube and the wave rider. In these adventures, you can go down alone on a float or share the experience with someone. After that, we moved to the Build-A-Raft River, where Isadora had so much fun. This gentle river is perfect for unleashed creativity, allowing you to build your own raft with floating Lego bricks before the relaxing ride through the water. We also visited the Splash Safari, an amazing themed area that's perfect for little ones, packed with characters and slides made just for them. After that, we head straight to the Joker Soccer, a super fun water playground with plenty of slides in a giant bucket.
Last stop of the day, the big shop, where you can find different kinds of products from caps, Legos, sandals, bikinis, swimsuits, everything. And of course, we cannot live without one of them.
Today was a great day, relaxing day. It was amazing. I'm just waiting for my mom to finish shopping. And if you like this video, smash that like button, also subscribe and also follow us on Instagram. Pitus, pelo, Mundo. See you on our next trip. Bye!